Self-esteem is the foundation of a successful and fulfilling life. Believe in yourself, and others will too. Your value doesn't decrease based on someone else's inability to see your worth. Self-esteem is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Be proud of who you are, not ashamed of how someone else sees you. Self-esteem is the reputation we acquire with ourselves. You are enough, just as you are. The only approval you need is your own. Confidence is not, they will like me. Confidence is, I'll be fine if they don't. Don't let the world dictate your worth. Self-love is the best love. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. You are worthy of love and belonging. Your value is intrinsic, not determined by external factors. Embrace your uniqueness. It's what sets you apart. You are not a product of your circumstances. You are a product of your decisions. Celebrate your strengths and work on your weaknesses. Believe in your potential, even if others doubt it. Comparison is the thief of joy. Focus on your journey. The most important relationship you'll ever have is the one with yourself. Own who you are. It's the first step to empowerment. Self-esteem begins with self-acceptance. Don't let anyone rent space in your head unless they're a good tenant. You are capable of more than you think. You are the author of your own story. Make it a masterpiece.